This is a problem that I covered in lesson 306 in the capture race chapter on this channel. So this is for black to move. Black has 2 liberties left, while white has 3. But white's shape also has weaknesses. Here is a throw-in point, and this is a cutting point. So what black can do is to play here first, right, to extend its own liberties. And white cannot come in here. So white must connect here. And now, this is very important. Black can cut here, still preventing white from playing here. And the reason why number 3 is so important is that white needs 2 moves to capture number 3. And as white does that, black has already won the capture race. So that is why number 1 and 3 can guarantee black success. And white's playing anywhere on the inside will not work, right? Will not make a difference. And white cannot make a code this way. So the takeaway, once again, is to extend your liberties, right? If you cut here, white can capture instantly. So black must play here first. White cannot play on either side. So white can only play here. And now black needs to cut. And this will almost certainly come up in games. And you just have to know this cut. It is very effective, and it will change the result of many capture races. Good luck, and thank you for watching.